Ang dapat mong gawin kung masira yung DJ controller mo? I recommend doing 3 things. First up, check mo muna kung under warranty pa yung controller mo. Usually nakasulat yan sa resibo ng DJ controller or tignan mo yung manual ng controller mo kung meron siyang warranty. Kung wala, the second thing you can do is to look for a distributor warranty. Sabihin natin bumili ka ng Pioneer DJ na controller dito sa Philippines, meron yan warranty with its distributor called Zamoni Ventures. They can repair it for you if it's still under warranty, and if it's not under warranty, they can still repair it for a fee. Now, the third thing you can do is to look for somebody who repairs MIDI controllers or DJ equipment. Wala akong marirecommend as far as controllers go, pero for gear like turntables, meron akong pinapagawan, si Angelo De Dios. He's been servicing my turntables for, I don't know, the last 20 years. Hope this helps. Good luck. Let me know if you have other questions in the comments.